Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Sarveshu Inani. Today we'll discuss how to apply ADF test using URCA package in R. So first of all, you need to just put the command install URC package and put library command, and then I will discuss about my data. My data is agriculture commodity data from India for futures and sport, and I want to check their stationarity. So this is the way here. URCA package is awesome package that gives freedom to calculate ADF tests with the great details. Um, you can do this in eViews or Excel also, but that is a long procedure and it will take long time. But by using R, there is open access. This is very easy. Okay, so my file is agree. I am taking one column here. I am just attaching it. Run. Sorry. And now I have, so I can apply these. So my columns are futures and spot. So suppose I want to test the stationarity of futures prices. Uh, so I am giving this command. The command for this is this. You can see all the arguments by putting control space. The basic command here is urdf and then futures, name of file y, then type which kind of model. You can put here none for no constant and drift for constant only, and trend for constant and trend. So this is the way. And lags, if you want to mention number of lags to just control autocorrelation, you can mention the number of lags. And suppose you want to just select the lags based on some criteria like AIC or BIC, you can mention that also. So here I am just doing this thing based on AIC criteria. So my simple command is this. I am not giving any specific lag, only AIC criteria. When I run this is my object urdf object I have created, that is x. When I click on x, this is the complete result I have. Here we have two values, friends. Here we have two statistical values. First is t statistics and second one is f statistic values as per the book uh, by P. T. F. Bernhardt, uh, whose name is mentioned in the manual of R for this package. Um, I can see the entire summary by this way. Everything is mentioned here, the model, the residuals, and everything we need, the critical values, everything we need is mentioned here. And after that, suppose I don't need this entire thing, I simply want critical values, I can give this the name of the object I have created, x, and then coefficient value, critical values, I can put this just to extract this. So at 1%, 5%, 10%. So the object of our interest is basically tau 2 here. So because this is the value I have just matched with eViews results, so this is something people report in the research papers. Other thing is like f test, I don't think where it could be used, but I have not used so far. In the same way, we can use the lags, how many lags AIC have used. So I can, one lag is used, what is the test statistics that is reported by eViews. This is very similar, some decimals difference might be there, but it is almost same. So tau 2, this is the main result I need, 0.91. So the friends, if I need only 91, then I can use this command. I just mentioned b is only first element of that statistics. So I'm getting, so I can mention here b. So this is my result, the actual result by ADF I want. So this is a very simple way of the, because URC is very powerful. In this way we can do ADF test with a lot of information we need. Thanks a lot friend for watching.